One-time success. Simply visit onetimesuccess.com to create an account. If you already have an account, simply log into your existing account. You will be redirected to your dashboard. Click back to home to return to home page. Click on the examination tab to choose exam type. Select Post UTME and click Next. Select your institution of interest and click Next. Select and pay for a subscription plan and click Next. Now select your intended course type, arts, science, or social science. Next, select your intended course of study at the university. Here you will find a comprehensive list of courses available at tertiary institutions. Next, register the subjects for your exam. Here, you will find suggested exam subject combinations needed for the course you wish to study in the university. Please register only subjects you wish to take in the actual examination and take note of each exam subject limit. Click Next when done choosing. Select the chosen subjects and click Register. Choose exam type and click Next. Select mode of assessment between study, practice, or mock. Choose an option and click Next. Select a subject from the list of registered subjects. Choose year of exam and number of questions you want to get test on. Here, a list of topics attributed to the subjects will be displayed. Simply click Next. Now you are ready to start your practice when you hit the Click to Start button. Choose the correct answers to the questions provided. Click the Submit Test button when you are done with all the questions and view your results. For quicker access to questions, click on Registered Subjects on the dashboard and click on Go to Exams and proceed accordingly. Now you are all set for successful exam preparation. Study smart with one-time success.